Okay, so in here we have machines that are called CNC machines, okay, and they cut out shapes essentially, and also do sort of custom engraving and standard engraving in basically plastic plate panels, and they come in different colours: green, red, blue, and yellow. Typically. So here you can see a panel that's already been through one of these machines. And these are the jointing ends panels, so these go on the ends of timbers. These will be, they will pop out and this panel will become part of the climbing wall. So these would be your footholds for the climbing wall. These are joints for corners. You know, if we join two timbers together, we can put a joint on it to strengthen that corner. So these are all cut out by these machines. Why do you think it needs a pattern inputted to produce something like that? What would be the key thing that we, as a business, would try and achieve?
Correct pattern.
Yeah.
Because if you just make it do around the squiggly line,
yeah,
it won't achieve what you're trying to do.
Absolutely.
You need to do it nice and nice, but you said that they need to pop out as well.
Yes, yeah, they need to pop out. But also the key thing is, if you think about how expensive things are, it's about not having much waste. So we might, on there might only have been a request for maybe 6 things, but on there you can see there's probably 36 things. But what it does is it knows that we need certain products often. So when we ask for something to be cut into a sheet of playtech, what we'll do is we'll ask it to cut other things in that we use often as well, so there's no wastage. So rather than cut into a panel and then loads of it is wasted, what they do is they cut as much as they possibly can into it to have as little waste as possible. Does that make sense? So this is what we call a motor plate. So it's if you want to have a sort of a role play steering, starter, key ignition, gear stick and things like that. And they can be on a plate panel, they can be on the side of a jigsaw tower, along with the bubble board. So again, the blue started as a full sheet of blue, but then it was put into the computer, and the computer worked out where to put the black spots. And what they do is they cut away the blue to make the black spot, because the blue is on either side and the black is in the middle. You can make something look really 3D by just using one piece of playtech, but just by removing one of the layers. Yes?
Does the machine ever go wrong?
Do you know what? The machine can go wrong sometimes, and these machines, like a car, you need to service them. So you need to look after them. We get technicians and engineers to come in and make sure that they're running as they should be and they're set up, because they have to do something that's called calibrated and things like that to make sure that the computer program is hitting the playtech board at the right place at the right time. So yeah, it's a good question. The machines cut out really fast. So maybe, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. Sort of get a sheet on, fix the sheet down, put the program in, press go, and it just does it. So in here is like a milling drill bit that the computer program, because this will move that way and this way, which will guide where that cuts. So at the moment, I'm guessing that the middle of that is obviously like a drill bit that spins really, 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 really fast, and then it will come up and cut around it and travel through the shape of the program which is on the computer.